Hello again, it is Mark Weiss. I want to talk with you about really wanting a deal. You know, there's a saying that if you want a deal bad enough, you'll do a bad deal. In other words, a deal that is unfavorable, a deal that you're forced into. Easy to rattle off, but for many people it's hard to avoid because they've painted themselves into a corner with only one possible deal, say the renewal of their office lease with 60 days to run on the existing term. Or they've built up a very large group, hospital-based group with one exclusive contract, and now they're renegotiating it. The hospital knows they have no place else to go. Or those who aren't even in that circumstance, but they have signaled clearly to the other side that they will do anything to get that deal, to get that contract of whatever sort. They'll bend over backwards and hell turn inside out. And by the time you're done, you have a deal that is so bad it's worse than never having done it to begin with. Deal making has a certain aura, but it only deserves that aura if the deal should be done, if it's a good deal. This is not a simple question of a SWOT analysis, which for the most part is amateurish and moronic. Should you do any deal? What should be in a deal that you do? What is your point where you will simply walk away, whether or not you have that deal, whether or not you have another deal? Unless you think long enough and deep enough and hard enough and spend enough money figuring that out, then you will get that bad deal.